Alright, it's Thursday afternoon. Just finished up the last video, but you can see my mirror grabbing our lawn trailer that we use. And I know this is the one trailer I know for sure needs some maintenance. Could definitely use a touch up on some paint. I'd like to adjust the weed whacker and edger racks a little bit, and the wiring is the main problem. Where it goes through the tongue of the trailer, through the metal, it all the wires are all worn out and breaking, so that's what I'm probably gonna start with, is the wiring, get that set so that it's usable again, because the passenger rear tail light doesn't work right now. So get that fixed up, and then it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so I'm guessing I'll be doing some designs. I know I have at least one to work on, and I'm pretty excited because the design program I use, which is Unilock's UVision, just released their new update for Unilock UVision 2023. So I downloaded that, so that'll be my first design using the new update. So interested to see how much different that'll be. I know they have a lot of better plants. So without further ado, let's get into the wiring. Alright, so as you can see, this is clearly where the problem is. Here's a broken wire. Here's one that I tied together. There's another broken wire. So I think I can get to it through here, but otherwise I'll have to mess around with it and see, because through the back it's solid. So I'll probably want to take the truck off and be able to get to it from the front, and then maybe just run it through here instead, because I don't really like how it runs through this like this. Alright, do that. Alright, so this is what I got going on right now. I snipped all the wires to where they're long enough, and now I'm kind of just trying to figure out what goes to what, because I don't know if someone rewired this or what, but the colors don't really match to what the diagram's showing. So I got this battery here, I got a wire clamped to here, and then I have the ground clamped over here. So basically what I figured out is I have these two wires here that are connected to each other now, and they're connected, and now all the running lights work. So I'm just gonna go through and use some of this wire with the right colors and figure out what goes to what, and then I'm gonna mount this box that has each of these on the inside of the tongue, and then once I have all the wires figured out, it should be pretty much plug and play. So hopefully it's as easy as I think it's gonna be, because so far it's going pretty well, but we'll see what happens. Alright, just finished up the trailer. Gotta pull up so I can take the tools off that I was using, but I'll go ahead and show you what I did. So this cable is really long, but I ended up pretty much mounting it like this. I'll have to seal this a little better, but I liked how this was kind of tucked up underneath, out of the way. I was thinking about putting it over here or something like that, but I felt like our blowers go right here, so I felt like it was gonna get kicked and broken off. And then I gotta put one more self-tapper in because it only came with 2, and I used one for that and one for this. But this is kind of neat. It's a little holder for the plug. Haven't seen that before, to be honest. None of our trailers have ever had that, but I thought that was kind of neat, so it's not just sitting on the ground. So yeah, I ended up running it just underneath. I'm gonna get some wire loom, but I didn't have any. So as you can see, this running light works. This bulb I think is burnt out. It never worked, but hopefully that picks up on the camera. The running lights and the hazards are on right now, and that running light works, and this running light works. So I'm gonna call that good. It was actually fairly easy, so got a couple more things to tidy up, but for now at least the lights are functioning. So if we did need to use it right away and I don't get to the rest of the things, it can safely roll down the road with functioning lights. All right, dump truck is completely done. I just filled it up with fuel. So now I'm gonna fill up the 250, take the plow off, and then park it. Tomorrow they're calling for a lot of rain, so not gonna be able to do much, but at least I'll get these things filled up, and if there is a chance that I have to salt, then this truck's full of fuel and I can just load up with salt and go. All right, so here's how I'm leaving the salter. I washed it out real good, but you can still see there's a little bit of stuff in there. So it's supposed to rain a ton, so I figured I'd let it sit there basically till we know for sure we're not gonna need it, because you never know. As of right now, it doesn't look like we're gonna need it, but never know. So did pretty good on salt this year. We're almost to the back wall right there. You can see it. So gotta go ahead and cover this up, and then that should be a wrap for this video. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate all the likes and comments. Keep it coming, and I'll keep bringing more videos like this.